going to be moving out for the first time to my own apartment. I am making that big girl step in my life and I'm so excited. I've always loved the idea of having my own space to create and to live in. I think something that became very evident when I was traveling or if I've ever done like weekends away is that I love my quiet, I love my alone time, I love having my own environment. Moving out is really going to enable that and also really push me to be more independent, and I'm already quite an independent person, I would say. This is like a new level when it comes to my independence and I'm so excited for everything that this journey is going to bring me because I know moving out is such a big thing. It's a big milestone in like any young person's life. I'm gonna be 20 this year, guys. It is time to move out, to take this next step into my adult life. I really feel like this is going to be an amazing thing and I'm so excited to bring you guys all along with me and to document this moving out process and of course film my very own moving diaries here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This series is going to be an epic one. I'm so excited. I love you guys and let's get into this video. I have an apartment viewing tomorrow at 10:45. I've actually sent inquiries off to 4 properties. The tea with the property I'm going to see tomorrow, there's already 2 other applicants that have sent in their applications. I am in fact a first time renter as well, so I don't know if that's like a disadvantage. The lady said it's not going to be. When I go tomorrow, I'm going to take some videos as well to show you guys. Do you want to have a little bit of a look around depending on who gets back to me. This morning I had 2 apartment viewings to attend. The first apartment was indeed very spacious, really nice and big and really good value for money, as this one was actually on the cheaper side compared to the second viewing that I saw later this morning. For the upstairs area, I could have definitely seen this being a studio area for work. The bathroom was a bit dated. There was no proper room to have a shower. It was literally just a bathtub. It was quite small. It didn't really have a lot of the things I was looking for. The big selling point for this apartment was definitely the open living room with the big windows and window seats. This was really nice. I think though realistically, other than this room, I wouldn't have taken the apartment. I didn't love it as much as I thought I would. Overall, I did feel like this apartment was quite dated. It also had 6 flights of stairs to get up to. Moving out for the first time, I really did want to love where I was going to be, and unfortunately for this apartment, it just didn't have those wow factors for me. The second apartment was love at first sight. I loved this apartment so much. I could really see myself living here, truly picture my things in this space and making this space home. I loved the bedroom, really spacious, a lot bigger than my current bedroom at home, and I love how open and new this apartment is. Let's go through my thought process because I've now seen both apartments, how I'm kind of thinking, how I'm kind of feeling. Both are really good candidates. It's just whether I want that extra room, which I'm not against. I think it could actually be really good for me, or it's the first apartment where it's a little bit more cozy. I'm gonna do some thinking and decide today. It looks like I'm doing this, which is very exciting. This is gonna be an amazing thing. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. This is all a bit crazy. I think it's starting to hit me that I think it's sad, you know, I'm moving out of my family home and stuff like that. It makes me nervous, but I'm so excited. I'm not far from them either. I think it's just the concept of like having somewhere that's my own. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. We're not doing that. We're not gonna cry in this video. I really want to document this process, and this is how I'm feeling, and these are my thoughts right now. I loved both apartments. They were so beautiful, 1 street away from each other. So either way, I have the location down. I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm scared. Yeah, those are my thoughts right now. Later on this day, I actually went to Knoops with my friend Joanna, and we just went for a quick Knoops and caught up. We hadn't seen each other since September, so this was a really nice activity to fit in between the apartment hunting chaos. We had their brand new drinks and it was a 10 out of 10 coffee date. After Knoops, while I was out in town, I got a call from the estate agent telling me that my offer had been accepted on the apartment, and before I knew it, the next day I was there collecting my keys. Everything was finalised. The entire process was super quick as this was my first time renting. Also, I was able to move in quickly. This was a really smooth process, and the next day I went to collect my keys. Guys, okay, I'm at the apartment now. I'm so excited because I'm giving you guys an empty apartment tour. I picked up my keys this morning, 10 minutes ago, and I'm now gonna show you guys the apartment while it's empty because once I get my stuff in here, I know it's gonna fill up quickly and I want to do like separate videos for each room on my channel. But yes, I'm moving up for the first time, so excited. Let me give you guys an empty apartment tour because this space is so cute and we have a little bit of sunlight right now. First things first, this is the kitchen. It's so cute. I'll show you guys with the lights on. Now, the good thing about this apartment is that it comes with a dishwasher, dryer, washing machine, a fridge. It's all in here. Oven, and then in here is my fridge. On here I've got, I think, it's an electric stove. Yeah, you have a good one. More storage up here. I think I might do like my coffee station over here and put like my mugs here. And then you have like plates and stuff. Open it, big drawer, and you've got 2 mini ones in here as well.
That's actually crazy.
So I can put like cutlery, utensils, whatever I'm gonna use. And then under here, I've already brought some stuff with me as I was coming over today. Pretend you don't see that. This is the little room. So you've got the kitchen island that comes into the kitchen. I'm thinking like over here, I'll probably put my couch. And then up here, I'm gonna put my mirror. Then in here, it goes into my bedroom. My room is gonna need some work. I'm gonna change my light bulb, my curtains, gonna put up some shelves. It's a work in progress, but it's gonna be really, really cute. I'm gonna probably change everything over the weekend. It's pretty spacious. I really like it. I'm probably gonna put my bed middle, put my wardrobes over here, and then have like extra storage over here. Planning on getting like a white rug to put on the floor to like match my bed because the carpeting is grey. I love it. It feels very homey already. I'm so excited for all the content I'm gonna make, for all the memories I'm gonna make here. How this is mine. Kind of scared, kind of nervous. You know how I feel about it. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube?
Oh my gosh. The last thing, I probably should show you guys the beginning, but as you guys can see, come through the kitchen, past the front door, and then in here, we have the bathroom. The shower is cute. I'm planning on getting like a heart shower organizer for the bathroom. Toilet, then in here I have sink, so running a mirror. Behind the door I have a heater where I can put like towels and stuff. Yeah, that is basically everything that is in my bathroom. That is my empty apartment tour. I am so excited. Today, as you guys can see, I picked up my keys and I took some apartment photos around the space. Later this day, I actually spent all night. I was up until 4 a.m. packing. Then that day, I moved all of my stuff into the space. This is just the beginning. I'm so excited to be in this space and to be documenting it all for you all. I love you guys so much. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next Moving Diary.